Okay, YouTube. This is a follow-up to that driveway sealing that I had done by McCarroll's. I'm not a happy camper, man. They got me. They got me good. No contract, no receipts, no nothing. And they quoted me on a repair and a seal. Well, they sealed it. They repaired shit. I'm going to show you. These little things here should have been all repaired. They should have filled in. It looked good when they first put on the sealant or whatever they did to make it right, but after a while it all sunk in. I should have got the clue when I didn't see them heating up anything to burn in or to fill in any cracks or anything like that. There's nothing here. I'm kind of ashamed of myself that I didn't catch the clue on it, that something was going on. Because there was no contract. I didn't even get a receipt. So all this little stuff should have been filled in. It's kind of inexcusable because you look at stuff like this. There's no excuse why this couldn't be filled in. And you know, if he would have just said, I'm just going to seal your driveway, I would have been good with it, except for the cost. I paid a high dollar to get this thing done. And I'll give you kind of a perspective of how my driveway goes. It's a circular. It goes down there, swings around. You can kind of see the blacktop. Then it comes up on this side over here. And then to boot, they left their garbage here. I asked them, are you going to put up any kind of flags or something to keep people from off my driveway? They put 2 buckets like this, 5-gallon buckets. One in the center of each. I had to put up some stuff. This is their garbage they never picked up. So you know what I'm saying? I would not recommend these people to anybody. They came back and filled in some holidays, and that's all they did, and it was a lousy job on that. So I don't know what to tell you. No recommendation. And if you want your driveway sealed or anything like that, do your research. There's plenty of people out here to do that stuff. So choose wisely, man. Get at least a contract, sign a contract, and get a receipt. All right. Sorry. I was bamboozled, man. They got me. A 17-year-old kid got me. All right. Bye. Thank you.